Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyanka aka the Clueless Artist and I'm back with another DIY. In today's video I'll be showing how to make such coasters using cardboard. I've made this specially to place diyas because Ganesh is here. So yeah, without wasting the time, let's get into the video. First things first, let's see what materials do we need. First is 2 pieces of cardboard. These are 12 by 12 cm each. Then we'll need acrylic colors, brushes, sponge dabber, pencil and eraser, scale and a pair of scissors. To start with, I'll just paint the cardboard white using a sponge dabber. Using golden color, I will just outline my design. I have chosen Meenakari painting because, as I said, I will be probably placing Diya on it. So I wanted to do some traditional painting. For this design, I have referred an image on Pinterest. I'll be linking that in the description. If you want, you can check it out as well. And this is how it looks. I have placed a diya on it. You can even use it as a tea coasters. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section. And for more such videos, please subscribe to the channel.